highlights of that set. It was really a close one. Ateneo and LaSalle trying to outsmart each other at the net, at the place, and the whole Ateneo squad contributing into winning that first set.
Look at the numbers right now, Mosey. LaSalle starting off really strong.
Yes,
6-point lead, actually.
They were really looking good at 12 and 6.
Yes.
And then suddenly the surge coming from Ateneo. Ateneo only with 8 points. LaSalle having 2 more. At the net, it was 2 blocks for Ateneo. And service aces, ang dami coming from Ateneo. Although LaSalle had also 3. But in the end, it was an all-around game for Ateneo. That's why they were able to win that first set.
And first point goes to the defending champions, their captain, Charlene Cruz, on deck. Boom Gonzalez, Mosey Ravenna, Tiff Atendino, Trishka Echeverri, all making ABS-CBN Sports, or making up ABS-CBN Sports broadcast for this second game. Another point going to LaSalle. Phil Kainglet claiming it was checked. The referee says no. So 2-0.
But if you notice, Boom, Ateneo is trying to go for power tips. So pinapatama-tama sa mga blockers because they know LaSalle have tall blockers. So yun ang ginagawa nila, pinapadaplis dun sa mga side ng blockers. And so far effective, except for that last one from Phil Kainglet.
Matangkad na, ang haba pa ng galamay, matataas pa tumalon. So you really have to, work your magic at the net and try to vary as Phil Kainglet with another serve that sails out. Make it 3, serving 1. And it is Maria Micaela Esperanza from the DLSU Lipa program originally. Lazarus had problems today, Mosey.
Oh, but a safe ball from Lady Eagles. Oh, and
hey, napaganda pa.
That's right. Almost a missed view from LaSalle.
That was overset. But it dropped in to give them a 4-1. And if you're LaSalle, you're going to take it right now to get as much cushion as you can.
Oh, yes. And, just like the first set. And try to hold on that lead.
Try to get some confidence also.
And nangyari kasi din sa first set after they led. Oh.
Rotation error.
That's right. Violation on the position of the players. Nakalimutan nilang bumalik after the switch on that last play. Nakalimutan nilang bumalik in their original position.
Esperanza way back now. 5 serving 1. Kainglet digs. Valdez. Received and dug up well by LaSalle. Ferrer again. Goes back to the rookie. And it's another point for the defending champions, showing their might at the net.
And LaSalle just really patient on that last play, not giving up in spite of Eliza Valdez really giving it her all. The blocking was there and the floor defense was there for De La Salle.
Sa patong batang-bata to si Eliza Valdez. Imagine this girl in 3-4 years. And as always, as we start the tournament, we always say, we pray for all these athletes not to experience any kind of injury. As that goes out for an Ateneo point. Speaking of LaSalle, let's go to Tiff Atendino now.
Thank you, Boom. Simple instructions from Coach Ramil include: first, relax. Huwag tayo nagpapadala sa bilis ng bola. Second, to setter Micaela Esperanza. Hanapin mo ang mataas na percentage mong spiker pag nagsiset ka. Huwag basta set ng set. Let's concentrate on the game. Nasa atin na ang bola. Bakit mamadaliin? Nasa tempo dapat. Third, to the spikers, check the situation at huwag basta palo ng palo. Presence of mind on the court. Let's play smart. Meanwhile, Captain Jackson was encouraging her teammates by telling them to keep on fighting and to receive the ball well in order to execute offensively. Boom and Mosey.
Well, mataas ang percentage yan kay Maranyo ka pumunta.
That's right. And, tama naman yun. Yun na nga yung sinasabi natin. That's why there's really a heavy load on the shoulders of Esperanza on those decision makings that she has to do in this game.
And another 6-point hole for Ateneo to dig themselves out. All. Back in a moment.